Watch this, Hat-chan. I come first now. That means I win.
You're losing to a tutorial bot.
That me? That me? If I hear, that mean me friends with Hedgehog? Yes?
Careful. Last time we crossed realities, a plane faced for a fake tower.
Not even mentioning Patriots, Illusions, Glitchy Limbo, our rent.
優先事項。そして最後のジェット燃料の請求者です。
Because that's why tonight, Yagami-san. It's Christmas special. We do filler episode. Very cozy, very low budget.
Low budget? You stole a plasma TV from somewhere.
Nah, Kaito Aniki. Don't think about it. Christmas is about coming together.
Swear to God, if he says I'm going to complete the lap.
少なくとも死年までに退路されないのにしてください。
At ease and Merry Christmas. I brought paperwork.
Did you come with the presents?
Presents.
It's itemized debt.
Nothing says holiday spirit like liability.
You lit 4 jets on hover mode for cinematic effect.
Worth it.
Also, the president says hi.
Wait, our president or the Patriots president?
Yes. Wherever you're watching from, stay safe tonight.
Be kind. Keep a friend. Even if friend destroy you.
You have a reaction of a beached Roomba. Anyways, be nice and share all your cookies with me, okay?
今夜、君が一人ぼっちだとしても、君はまだ私たちの事件ファイルに載っている。
From all of COM4 at the Yagami Detective Agency. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Christmas.